That looks like about 1 cup, right?
This is how my grandmother would put salt on food. She would pour it into her hand and then you just sprinkle it on. Because if you took too much, just get rid of it.
Wow.
You can't take it back if you pour it on your food. Never seen it do that before.
Hey, you're supposed to wait till it cools down.
Oh no!
That's okay. Keep going. Gets nice and clunked up in there. Alright, what's next, my love?
Here's something. So, speaking of baking and making dessert, we have been in a major search for our stove for the kitchen. Some people will just run like an electric cooktop. We want to get an oven range that you can open up and bake things inside. So whether that's baked goods, or I always remember like my mom just throwing a chicken in the oven for dinner and it'd be really quick and easy and delicious.
Every conversion we look at, they all have a Furrion stove. Now they make, there's other manufacturers that pretty much just try to mimic exactly what the Furrion does, but I think as far as quality goes, that's what we're looking for. Put a little boiled water in there, let it melt. I actually thought she knew what to do, but she was wrong. So I told her about how to do it.
Also just heating up the coconut milk. Give me this.
Wow, that looks amazing. Fine. Is that it for the mixture?
The next thing you do is add your raspberry preserves.
Looks like cranberry sauce.